Hi, Oz's. This is Sarah with iFix Taylor. I am contacting you because you recently inquired about our device repair services. How are you today?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I appreciate your interest in iFix Taylor's products and services. To better assist you, I would like to ask a few questions. Is that okay?
Sure.
Great. To start, could you let me know what type of device you need help with? Are you looking to purchase a new device or do you need a repair for an existing one?
I need a repair for my iPhone 15, which I dropped and broke the screen.
I understand that you need a repair for your iPhone 15, specifically for the screen. Can you describe when the issue first occurred and if it has worsened over time?
I dropped my phone this morning, and yeah, it actually got a little worse. The more I touch on the top of it, it just keeps spreading like a web. Screen needs repaired.
It sounds like the damage to your screen is quite significant. We can definitely help with that. Just to confirm, is your iPhone 15 still under warranty or covered by insurance?
It is actually covered by insurance.
That's great to hear. Since your iPhone 15 is covered by insurance, we can proceed with the repair. What is your preferred timeline for getting the repair completed? Do you have a
I would
specific
like to
deadline?
get this repaired immediately.
I understand that you want to get this repaired as soon as possible. We can schedule an appointment for you right away. I have a couple of options available for tomorrow. How about 10 in the morning or 2 in the afternoon? Which one works best for you?
10 a.m. would be best.
Excellent choice. Oz is, I've got you scheduled for tomorrow at 10 in the morning for your iPhone 15 screen repair. Please bring your device and any insurance information you may have. Is there anything else you need to know about the appointment?
No, that was it. I appreciate your help today. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Oz is, I'm glad I could assist you. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 10 in the morning for your iPhone 15 screen repair. Have a great day.